This sacred tree survives where most trees simply cannot. Meet the Tulip Tree of India, Thespesia populnea, a salt-tolerant evergreen that has guarded tropical coastlines for centuries, worshipped in temples and carved into instruments, all while holding fragile shorelines together. Its name comes from the Greek word Thespesios, meaning divinely decreed, and that fits. This tree grows right on the beach, handling salt spray, brackish groundwater, and coastal winds that would destroy most species. The wood is so fine-grained and rich in color that it's sometimes called Pacific Rosewood, used for premium carvings and even musical instruments. In Polynesia, it's known as Milo, planted around homes as a spiritual guardian. And those cup-shaped yellow flowers, they bloom almost year-round, feeding bees and butterflies along tropical shores. Planted at the start of monsoon season for the best results, or any time in the tropics if you can water it regularly. Give it full sun and well-drained soil. Sandy, loamy, even saline ground works perfectly. Space trees 6 to 8 meters apart, and once they're established, they'll handle drought with ease. Do plant it for coastal windbreaks, erosion control, or temple gardens. Don't overwater in sandy soils. That invites root rot. And don't confuse it with the African tulip tree or the American tulip tree. They're completely different species. From temple courtyards to storm-battered beaches, the Tulip Tree of India stands where others fall. A quiet, sacred guardian of the coast. Restore, protect, inspire.